Aloo Patta Gobhi Dum is made with new harvest potatoes and cabbage. This simple recipe from Bihar is a humble celebration of the winter and pleases the taste buds. All you need on a cold winter day is this dum with steaming hot rice and nothing else. Simple joys of life. Have you subscribed to my channel for easy, tried and tested recipes? Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Cut the cabbage into chunky pieces like so. Soak the cabbage in some boiling hot water. Drain it after a couple of minutes. Scrape the newly harvested potatoes and cut them into chunky pieces as well. Heat 3 tablespoons of mustard oil and temper it with half a teaspoon of jeera, cumin seeds, a bay leaf and a dried red chili. Add in the potato. Toss them for a minute. Cover and cook for a couple of minutes on low heat. Give it a mix. Season the potatoes with salt. And then add the washed cabbage right on top. Cover and cook for at least 5 minutes before checking on low heat. While that's cooking, let's make a masala. For that, you'll require about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. I'm using only 3 because these are really big ones. And I'll just slice them up. A large tomato chopped into large pieces. A teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. 1/4 teaspoon of black peppercorn. And 2 large pinches of hing or Asafoetida. Add a bit of salt for friction. Green chili according to your taste and grind it to a fine paste. So I just mixed up the cabbage with the potato and as you can see that the potatoes are done. Add in the prepared spice paste along with half a teaspoon of haldi powder, turmeric, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, a teaspoon of chaat masala powder, a large pinch of garam masala powder, and then cook this till the oil starts separating and the spices are cooked. This is such a humble recipe made with winter produce and tastes amazing. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up, share your feedback in the comments and I'll get back to you. Add in about 1/4 cup of water. I am adding the water from the mixer jar. Cover it a final time. Let it cook for 2 minutes. In the meantime, chop up some coriander greens, leaves and stalk, and that is done. Smells yum. Check the seasoning and adjust it according to your taste and just mash up a few of the potato pieces to thicken the gravy. That should do. Add in a green chili whole or slit, some coriander, turn off the heat and let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes. Serve the Aloo Patta Gobhi Dum with steaming hot rice and enjoy!